Their lives ended in places called Belleau Wood, Omaha Beach, Salerno, Guadalcanal, the Chosin Reservoir, the jungles of Vietnam, and the deserts and mountains of Iraq and Afghanistan. What they gave us is beyond our power to repay. So, all we can do is remember them. We see them in our minds as old and wise, when most of them were so young. And when they died, they gave up 2 lives. The one they were living and the one they would have lived. No weapon in the world is more formidable than the will and courage of free men and women. The price for this freedom at times has been high, but we have never been unwilling to pay that price. There are those who say that we are in a time when there are no heroes. They just don't know where to look.